I want to share with you my very favorite quote ever about nonprofits. I came across it during my time as a foundation grant maker. Meaning, all these people out here writing grants, well, I was the person who read them and helped decide who was going to get funded. And during that time, I came across this quote that summed up a truth that resonated so hard with me that almost nobody understands about the US nonprofit sector. It comes from Dr. Joel Arose, a longtime director of philanthropy at the Kellogg Foundation. The great glory of the nonprofit sector is that anyone can look at a problem and say, I'm going to start an organization to fix that. I mean, that's how Habitat for Humanity started. That's how Doctors Without Borders started. All of the great nonprofits. The great curse of the nonprofit sector is that anyone can look at a problem and say, I'm going to start an organization to fix that. We're over 2 million nonprofit organizations now, many of which are overlapping in what they do, others of which leave big gaps they should be covering, all of whom are tripping over each other fundraising. One of these days, people might sit down and say, now wait a minute. Why are there 6 organizations in my community all dedicated to homelessness relief, and yet people are still homeless? What's going on here? So we need to find some way to keep the sector open to social entrepreneurs, but to make sure that they don't start the 7th or the 8th homelessness relief organization in town. Because if 6 didn't solve it, 7 won't solve it either. It's not to say that you should never start up a new nonprofit, but if you really want to solve a problem, watch my video linked down below and get my 3-step framework for social sector success, both for you and for whomever it is that you are trying to help.